If you are experiencing dryness, hair breakage, you are looking for ways to detangle your hair without breaking much of hair, with just two super ingredients, which is you need to moisturize your hair and treat your scalp. This video is for you. This will make a day for you, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a super hair growth detangler for your hair, for dryness of your hair. So with just two ingredients. Our first ingredient is aloe vera. As you can see, I'm a fan of aloe vera. I use aloe vera to detangle my hair, but by treating our scalp, I'm going to add in ginger. Ginger stimulates hair growth and it offers several benefits for hair, including stimulating hair growth, reducing hair loss, combating dandruff, and improving scalp health. So by making out our aloe vera gel, I'm just going to cut it into two equal size, then scoop out the aloe vera gel. I know most of you here on my channel know how to make aloe vera gel, how to scoop aloe vera gel. So you need to scoop out aloe vera gel. There's a lot of benefits of aloe vera. There's a lot of aloe vera benefits. You can as well as Google it out while I share you some of the benefits. Aloe vera is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, which can help hydrate dry, brittle hair. Aloe vera is one of my best detangler. So I've already scooped out the gel. So the next thing to do is to bring out my blender. Yes, we are going to blend this. So if you do not have access to a blender, I don't know how you can make this aloe vera gel, but make sure you blend it because we don't want any particle on our hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut in my ginger. I've already washed this. I don't peel it because the back is also has its own nutrients, so I don't need to peel it. Just wash it, rinse it thoroughly, then cut it into small pieces for easy blending. Then add in your aloe vera and blend. So this is after blending. This doesn't look smooth because of the ginger, so we need to strain it out. Straining it out will remove the particle. As you can see, this is the particle and we don't want that on our hair, so make sure you strain it out using anything strainable, either wig cap. I'm using wig cap, either wig cap, stocking, cheesecloth. Just make sure that you strain it out with anything strainable, cheesecloth, any cloth with a tiny hose, and make sure it is very clean. Make sure all your apparatus is very clean. So I strain mine 2 times because of this wig cap, so I strain it 2 times. This is what it looks like after straining it out. This is very jelly. This is a very good detangler and very good for our scalp. So I transfer it into our application bottle. If you can use it like this, but for easier application, so I transfer it into our applicator bottle. You can as well as add in your essential oil if you did not like that ginger smell, so you can add in essential oil like tea tree oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil. It's optional. So this is my hair. This is very dry and I don't want my hair to break, so I don't comb it. The only mistake I made in this video by making this video is because I didn't spray water. I just apply it like this, but make sure you spray in a little bit of water on your hair before using it. I repeat, make sure you spray in little water for it to absorb the product. But I made a terrible mistake by not spraying water on my hair. So, and work in session. Working in session will make your work easier, will make your hair easier to work in. So make sure you work in session. Don't be like me. Please session your hair into 8 it depends on how long and how full your hair is. So session your hair will make it easier for you to work in. So, and don't rush. If you are in a hurry, don't use this. Make sure you are less busy before using this. Make sure you are gently with your hair. Don't do it fast. I'm in a hurry, I just want to wash my hair and comb my hair. No, don't do that. Make sure you work in. Be patient with your hair, because and after I apply it on the tips of my hair to the roots. Make sure you apply it on your scalp, because this is also a treatment for our scalp. So, and make sure you use your finger to detangle it before using a wide tooth comb. Because of the breakage, use a finger to finger detangle first before using a wide tooth comb. And I don't use a wide tooth comb, I only use my hand. Here are some benefits of ginger. Ginger helps strengthen hair follicle, preventing breakage and split end, and can help improve the overall appearance and texture of the hair. It has anti-inflammatory property, which smooths irritated scalp and improve overall scalp health. Antioxidants in ginger may help delay the appearance of grey hair. If you notice grey hair on your hair, you are already having grey hair, using ginger will delay the appearance of the grey hair. Ginger contains vitamin, minerals, and fatty acids that nourish and moisturize hair, making it healthier. By balancing the scalp pH, aloe vera has a similar pH level to the scalp, helping to maintain a healthy pH balance and prevent issues like excess oiliness or dryness. Aloe vera can provide some protection against sun damage, helping to keep hair healthy and vibrant. The vitamins and minerals in aloe vera, such as vitamin A, C, and E, can help strengthen hair strands, making them less likely to breakage. And do more research on these two ingredients. This can only be stored in your fridge for 7 days. Always shake before use. Spray it on your scalp and your hair strand. Massage it gently for a few minutes and leave it on for 30 minutes to 2 hours before washing it out. So, trust me, using this consistently, you will start noticing stronger roots and faster growth in no time. You can see how super moisture and my hair looks like compared to the first video I show you. So this is a very super moisturizing. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to make a aloe vera moisturizer, a leave-in moisturizer. If you're interested in that video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you'll be the first person to notified whenever I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye love.